Okay, I'm John, K1JEB, and I didn't rehearse for this, so I'm just kind of making it up as I go. But anyway, has anybody done any work with AI online? Some of you have? Have you guys used like ChatGPT or any other? Yeah. Okay. Well, for the 10-meter contest that we had like a month ago, I was going to use my 3-element beam, but the only problem with that is I have to turn it all the time. So I asked ChatGPT, which was my first time just experimenting with it. I said, can you design me a J-pole using window line and a wire? And 50 ohms, you give all the specifications, and what frequency and so forth. And first thing that comes up is a little dot that means it's thinking. And then I think in the background is crunching. But anyway, all of a sudden you see everything coming up with everything you want to think about J-pole antennas and the frequency, how long to cut it, where to tap on the window line to get the impedance. I mean, everything is down to exact, like fractions of an inch. So I went ahead and built it just based on what it said. Performed really well. So I had like over 40 contacts with it. So it was a lot of fun. Now I've used it for designing the Pi network for a linear amplifier for 6 meters. Did a great job. Did it for all kinds of tubes. And then I tried using it to troubleshoot a ICO 460 oscilloscope, which I'm rebuilding. It's all tubes made in the 1960s. And it helped me go understand the sawtooth generator that sweeps the beam across the CRT. And I finally got with it, working with it. You have to work with it. It sometimes comes up with answers that are just totally weird. And then you tell them that something is not quite right. It comes back and says, you're right. Actually says that, you're right. And then it comes in and tells you why, how it came to this conclusion. You can set it to tell me how you're thinking. If you do that, it just like goes, it goes and goes. One thing you can do it is if you hit print and you say, okay, save it to a file, not the printer, you can save the whole thing. So, so you can recall it later. I asked it to set up free DV, that's HF digital voice. That's kind of fun. And it told me how to set up my radio efficiently to make that work. How to download it, install it, what you have to set in your radio, everything. It was pretty cool. And then my computer had an upgrade, Windows 11 major upgrade, and now free DV doesn't work. So, then I also got, let's see, I did a 6-meter J-pole. So because I got a GE, was a Delta S, which is a police radio, low band, and it's 100 watts. It's a trunk mount system converted to 6 meters. And so I got it for free from this guy who programmed it and everything. And you're familiar with it. And so I want to build a J-pole so I can do FM on 6 meters. And ChatGPT helped me to design that antenna. So it's pretty cool. Again, you got to be very specific when you ask it. And you can tell when you don't make it specific enough because it comes with kind of wacky answers. And then you realize that it didn't know what you were trying to do. So it's kind of a back and forth iterative thing. And it's kind of fun. It's a lot of fun. So that's all I have.